Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. My name is Shravan Pandit and I am trading Forex since 1.5 years. So I will be sharing everything about the trading, and I will be focusing more and more on the core of trading, that is mindset, psychology, discipline, consistency and habits. Because the money is a byproduct of these quality of a particular trader, and your journey is going to be uh, very smooth with these core principle, trust me. Main point of starting this channel is to master trading. And how do we master anything for that matter? If you want to master anything for that matter, you need to teach the same thing, for समझो, मुझे अगर ट्रेडिंग मास्टर करना है तो मुझे ट्रेडिंग सिखाना पड़ेगा, या तो मुझे अपनी सारी चीज़ें शेयर करनी पड़ेगी। तो this way I am going to master trading. Okay, so that is the point. So thank you so much for your time. uh, Please do the YouTube business, that is like and subscribe, and I welcome you, every new trader, experienced trader, uh, to be the part of my journey, and I'm going to part of your journey. And probably in the next few months, we I may be teaming up, depend on the interest that you show. So thank you so much for your time, and see you in the next video.